Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.2, Problem 7. This is Section 4.2, Problem 7. It says if you know the two triangles have the same area, can you be certain that they are congruent? The answer is no. Maybe they're congruent, but you can't be certain. The question is, can you be certain? So to prove my answer is no, imagine you have a triangle, something like this. The height is 6, the base is 4, and again the area, if you remember, is 1/2 base times height. So a triangle like this, the area would be 1/2, the base is 4, times the height is 6. So you'd really have half of 24, which is 12. So the area is 12. Now consider another triangle, a little taller and narrower. Let's say my second triangle has a height that's 8, base is 3. Watch what's going to happen. What's the area of this one? It's going to be the same, and they're not congruent. So the area is 1/2 base times height again. So that'll be 1/2, the base is 3, times the height is 8. So again, we're going to have half of 24, which is 12. They both have an area of 12. But they're not congruent. So if they have the same area, can you be certain that they're congruent? No, you cannot be certain that they're congruent.